10 foods you must not store in the fridge. We think that everything will remain as fresh as they were, but to our surprise, after some days we come to notice that some food stuff is already on the way to decay and lost the freshness. Why does this happen? The simple reason is the cold temperature inside the fridge is not suitable to keep all foodstuffs fresh. Yes, a lot of confusion arises about what to keep in the fridge and what not. Therefore, to solve your inquiries, we are here to give you a clear idea about the foods you must not store in the fridge. Just watch the full video. At number 1, fruits. Fruits are common in every household, but it's important to know how and where to keep them. Not all fruits need to be refrigerated. Tropical fruits like mangoes, banana, pineapple, watermelon, papaya are grown in hot and humid temperature. Due to this reason, they are very sensitive to the cold temperature inside the refrigerator. At number 2, onions. It is necessary to keep onion in a dry and airy place so it can last longer. We must not keep onion in the fridge, the chill temperature would cause the onion to become more pulpy and soft. At number 3, honey. Honey should not be kept in the fridge as the low temperature will cause the honey to form crystals and make it becomes hard too. The honey must be kept in an airtight glass jar, then it lasts longer. At number 4, potatoes. Potatoes contain a high amount of starch, which may turn into sugar if we store them in the refrigerator. This will ruin the potato texture very fast and make it tasteless. So the best places to store potatoes are a dry and open place or paper bags. At number 5, coffee. There is a conception about coffee that its shelf life increases when kept in the fridge at a low temperature. But it's wrong. Coffee in any form, bean or grounded, must not be stored in the fridge, as it absorbs the aroma of other foods and lost its original flavor. The sudden temperature drop makes the coffee beans demoisturized, and they lost the freshness. At number 6, aromatic herbs. Basil, cilantro, coriander, thyme and mint are some of the well-known aromatic herbs used in cooking for seasoning purposes. We often put them in fridge plastic bags, which is a wrong way to keep them fresh. The low temperature of the fridge makes them getting limp, and you will find soggy leaves which you have to throw away in the dustbin. At number 7, tomatoes. The moisture and the cold air inside the refrigerator is enough to shorten the shelf life of tomatoes. So the fridge is not the right places for the delicious red tomatoes to be used in different dishes. Also, the chill air delays the ripping process and makes them decompose faster. At number 8, garlic. Storing garlic in the refrigerator will reduce its shelf life, and it will spoil quickly. The low temperature is enough to ruin the nutty flavor, and thus they can absorb the other odors in the fridge. At number 9, bread and cake. The low temperature turns these foods into dry. Also, they lost the softness and taste. So when we're going to make sandwiches or other dishes, it would not sound so much tasty. The cakes also turn hard, and the cream lost its flavor. At number 10, ketchup and soya sauce. Ketchup and soya sauce are food products with preservatives added in it. So they are shelf-stable. Moreover, ketchup is naturally acidic by nature. So it doesn't require keeping at a low temperature. In the fridge, it will become condensed and thick. Soya sauce also stay fine at room temperature. So friends, you should keep in mind that despite the substantial practice of fridge in the modern kitchen, low temperature is not suitable for every food items. So if you are supposed to store the things in your fridge, be aware of not to do the same again.